Want to learn Spanish in a small and safe city, surrounded by nice beaches and mountains, from excellent teachers in a relaxed environment? Then the SEPA School's Spanish Language Immersion Program in San Isidro de El General, Costa Rica is for you. You will learn Spanish from highly skilled teachers through individual or small group instruction that is specifically tailored to your needs and level of understanding. SEPA's teachers are masters at creating varied high-interest learning activities that give you a solid foundation in all aspects of the Spanish language. In addition to the classroom, cooking classes and field trips to local attractions like a farmer's market, a butterfly conservation center, or a local indigenous community give you the opportunity to speak Spanish in authentic settings. After class, you'll have the opportunity to practice your Spanish with your host family as you experience and learn about Costa Rican culture and daily life.
Ella iba caminando sola por la calle, pensando Dios qué complicado es esto del amor. Dos extraños bailando bajo la luna se convierten en amantes al compás.
Regardless of your age or your level of understanding, as a student at SEPA, you will learn an incredible amount of Spanish and make friends and memories that will last a lifetime.